Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very interesting and easy problem called restoring finishing order. In this problem, we are given an array called order and another array called friends. The order array represents the finishing order of participants in races. The friends array contains the IDs of our friends. Our task is to return our friends' IDs in the exact order they finished the race. Let's understand this with an example. Like for now, here is my array order and a friend array. Now, actual rest finishing order is 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. And we only care about our friends, so 1, 3, 4. Now, check their appearance in the race order. For example, 3 appear first, then 1 and 4. The final answer will become 3, 1, 4. Now, let's understand the approach. We need to fast checking to know whether a participant is our friend or no. So, we are gonna use an another set. Now, what will we do step? Store all friends ID in inside a state, transfers the array order. If the current ID exists in the set, add it to the result, return the result array. Now, let's get into the code. First, we will create an another set and we will gonna add our friends array into. Now, after creating set, we will create a resultant array, for example, vector. And now, let's look through our order array. For example, we will take ID order. Now, if my friend set contained the ID in the student, then push the array stop push for back like that. And at the end, we are gonna return the result. Let's check it. Okay, it's everything fine. Let's try to submit it. Okay, that's it.